So I'm up on the front roof of our house. We've got dormer windows which have just been repaired, but I noticed that this tile is cracked. It's like it's been cracked for some time. I don't think the guy that did the dormers has broken it, or the scaffolders. Looks like this crack has been there, so say, for some time. Anyway, I'll try and see if I can't replace it. Now, fortunately, I have a spare couple of tiles. Clean this one up a bit, but that will do as a replacement, I think. So I'm going to try and do this minimum of hassle. So I've just lifted up the tiles above. Here's the cracked one. Let's see if I can get this out and then put the new one in and just drop the ones above down on top of that. Okay, new tile in place. Looks okay. It's suitably weathered, so it matches the old one, which is now down here on the grass. Just chucks it down onto the grass. So this crack actually doesn't look that old, does it? It's obviously got some weathering here, but and on this edge, yeah, I think it has been cracked for a while, but probably not letting gallons of water through, just a moderate amount. Anyway, let's get it replaced.